floor is 13 floor, so it's even floor. Our floor is pink. The even floor we go with a blue one.
So each
Yes.
floor is different.
Yes, so it's like Osaka is just like surrounded by the bay, Osaka ocean, so it's go with ocean blue.
Mhm.
And this is the 80 square meter suite. The smallest. There you go.
What is the name of the suite?
Marvelous suite. So in this room we have total 35 room of this size. You can see the living room and the bedroom is separate.
So you like party suite?
Yeah.
So you are just in center of
Yes.
boutique shops.
Yes, correct. For this room, most of this room type is at the upper floor, but today is like we are running out of the suite.
This is painting.
Yes.
From where you
So
take this?
the designer is the E-Boys, and this is Osaka. Everything you must visit in Osaka. I believe in your closet you already saw it. So you can see the Sky Building is Osaka, and it used to be the Fuku, the Blowfish, and the Kanitolaku. And even we have the W in here. And we have 2 toilets in the suite room. Because when you close the door, if you have the meeting with a client, it's totally separate. So there is a one toilet just next to the entrance for the client, the guest who visiting you. Yeah, and your private space will not be bothering you. And all the suite room we have is located at the corner. The layout is a little bit slightly different, but the size is the same.
Today is good sunny day,
Yeah.
but sunny day,
Yeah.
but 0 degrees?
What?
0 degrees outside.
This one?
No, 0 degrees temperature.
Yeah. It's pretty cold today. Not for you maybe, but. I'm not sure, did you try it? It's a button we call escape in here.
Please.
So when we press, you can see the light, it changes. So in your room is also, when you press escape, it changes the light. So when you want to come back to the room, you want to have a sip and change your mind, change your mood, you can change it. Yeah.
What's the mood? Oh, you have another mood?
No.
Only one.
For the even floor is blue, but for the up floor it's gonna be pink.
Да, okay. So each floor have only one color.
Yes. In this marvelous suite, we have the view bathroom or not the view bathroom. So the client, if the second time they want to change another type of the suite, they also can change. So every time can feel different. This is the most popular one. We have 35 rooms. Yeah. 80 square meter. All the suite located at the